I'm sure when you are doing your career transformation, right? When you are doing transforming your entire from the jump that you took from non-technical to technical, I'm
Hmm.
sure there were a few mistakes that you did, right?
Yeah,
And you
yes,
learn from your
absolutely.
and you learn from your own mistakes. So what would be, let's say, three mistakes that you would suggest the aspiring data leaders based on your experience?
Okay. So I would say, first of all, you need to understand that it does not matter if you are working for a service company or a product company. When you're working with data, understanding the data security and data governance is very, very much important, right? You should be absolutely critical about maintaining the security of data, because as a data leader, as a data scientist, you would be having access to the entire database of your company, right? Maybe production database, maybe UAT database, or whatever is there, right? You have the credentials of those. You have to be very crucial not to pass on those credentials into the source control repository. You not to push those codes into a place where every people can access them, right? So putting those things up in secret, maintaining the security and structure of your company's data is very much important. That would be one thing. Second thing would be like always understanding like what the client is requiring from you, right? Clients can have 100 expectations, but you should know that you can deliver only 70 out of them, and you should be very clear about it, right? Because if you tell the client that I can deliver these 100 features for you, but at the end of the day you come back to your developer, you tell them that okay, I need this 100 features, and they are saying with the capabilities that we have at present we can only deliver 70, then that's a face loss for the company to the client, right? And that should never happen. So setting up proper expectation, security, these two things are very critical. And another another thing would be, I would say, understanding your teammates, right? So I have seen currently the team that I'm working on, there are different roles they are assigned. There is a UI developer, there is a data engineer, there are few people who are handling the production supports and all, right? But into these people, there are individuals who are keen on learning new things, right? So if I don't give those people that kind of opportunity that they are willing to, they are not going to stay in the project, right? So what I do, I let's say I have an individual who takes keen interest on Gen AI, right? But this particular individual currently is working on a production support based on his or her own experience, right? So what I tend to do, I tend to assign 1 or 2 days in a week to that individual into a Gen AI hackathon that maybe my company or some other company is organizing. So I ask him or her to take part in those hackathons so that they can gain some domain knowledge, they can gain some understanding from that, so that the people grow with you, and once people grow with you, your team gets stronger and you deliver excellence to your clients.